When they heard this sound coming from deep space, they suspected the worst.
The United States government launched the Vela satellite, looking for nuclear detonations. And then, looking in outer space, they saw these monster explosions take place. And the military thought, oh my God, the Russians are testing secret atomic weapons in space.
But these weren't secret atomic bomb tests, and the Russians had nothing to do with them.
They began to look at where this radiation came from. It came from all over the galaxy, beyond the galaxy. Now, there's no way the Russians could shoot explosions in outer space beyond the galaxy. And then people began to realize that we were staring something new in the face.
They were super powerful explosions of high energy radiation called gamma ray bursts. And they were coming from exploding hypernovas.
بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم
والسماء والطارق وما أدراك ما الطارق النجم الثاقب إن كل نفس لما عليها حافظ فلينظر الإنسان مما خلق من ماء دافق.
When a red giant star explodes, a titanic fireball known as a supernova unleashes as much energy in 1 minute as our sun generates in its lifetime. When the cosmic dust clears, all that remains is the crushed core of the red giant, pulsing in the heart of an expanding debris field.